In today's video, Bitcoin broke out of the triangle formation and is right now trading above 10,000 US dollar. We are seeing a pattern in the Bitcoin price which might predict a Bitcoin price of 17,000 US dollar in the near future. I want to have a look at some potential scenarios and I want to have a quick talk about the most probable scenario we are going to see with Bitcoin. And at this end of this video, I will talk about my time analysis using astrology and will mention what I think is going to happen with the price of Bitcoin concerning my time analysis. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen, this is the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos, and right now let's jump into the content. Hello guys and welcome back to the Blockchain Today. Let's start off with having a look at Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Bitcoin has seen a breakout out of this triangle formation to the upside and we have broken the 10,000 level. Bitcoin is right now trading at 10,136. And let's have a look what happened right here. Well, we did expect Bitcoin to break out to the upside due to a couple of reasons. One of those reasons is we are in an uptrend and this triangle formation is functioning most of the time as a continuation pattern. Next to that, we have a hidden bullish divergence. The RSI was making a lower low and in the price we were making a higher low, and it was telling us or signaling us that most likely the price will see some bullish momentum right here, and that might be enough to break the resistance right there. Then yesterday I shared the following on the Discord group, because right here we had a resistance in the RSI. The moment we broke the resistance right there, that was telling me that most likely the bullish momentum is going to step in and that most likely we are going to see a breakout to the upside. So I posted in our Discord group at the Bitcoin price analysis, I said right before the breakout that we might see a breakout soon, because the RSI is giving us a small clue right there. So for the people that are interested in trading, you can join the Discord group. The link is down below in the description. And when we did saw the breakout right there, we do see a nice increase in the amount of volume. So all in all, Bitcoin is looking very bullish. But guys, there are some things that do concern me and I want to mention them in today's video. And first of all, I want to have a look at the following, and that is a V-shaped bottom. So normally a V bottom looks as follows. We have a huge drop, a huge bounce. We come back above the neckline again. We retest it as the new support and we continue this uptrend. And the target of a V bottom is the length of the V put above the V, and that's how we can measure a target. So with Bitcoin that would look as follow. We have the neckline right here at approximately 10,500, and if we measure the length of the V right there, we put that at the point of breakout, then that means that if we have a V-shaped bottom right here and if this pattern is playing out, that Bitcoin could reach 17,000 US dollar. However guys, I do want to mention that V-shaped recoveries, V-shaped bottoms are bottoms with a very low probability of playing out. And if we have a look in the history of Bitcoin, in the price history of Bitcoin, then we can see that we actually did not really see a V-shaped bottom before. Because every time we have seen a form of a V-shaped bottom, we had a retracement still. And that is also quite normal, because this V-shaped recovery where we don't see any retracements and we just continue this uptrend, that is a very low probability of happening. And here we have a nice example as well. We come down, we create a V bottom right here, but eventually we get a reversal again and we are making a higher low. So eventually it is bullish, but it is very unlikely that the bottom is a V-shape without retesting certain levels again. So guys, that is something I want to mention right there. It is very unlikely that we are forming a V-shaped bottom right here, that we are breaking above the neckline that is holding as support and that we are going towards 17,000 US dollar. It is more likely that in this uptrend we are getting a reversal somewhere and we see a bigger retracement. We form a higher low somewhere and then we are continuing this uptrend. And it's very difficult to predict where we are going to top out before we are going to see the retracement, right? We can go a little bit higher, we can go a little bit lower. But it is possible to take in mind that most probably we are going to see a retracement from this uptrend. Because the probability of this being a V-shaped bottom is just very low. So although Bitcoin is looking bullish, do take in mind that the probability of a V bottom playing out is very low and that we are going to see most likely a retracement sooner or later. Then a couple of other metrics I want to mention. First of all is the hash ribbon. We do see a inversion of the hash ribbon right now. We don't see actually a lot of sell pressure on the price of Bitcoin. So that is also quite bullish, guys, and this is definitely telling us that the miners right now, they have less influence on the price of Bitcoin than before the halving. And guys, I quickly want to mention the target of this triangle formation right here, because the target is right now at approximately 11,500. But it's going to be difficult for Bitcoin to break above this level, the 10.5k, and it's going to be as well a very important signal for us whether we are breaking that 10.5k level or not. If we are breaking the 10.5k level, then that is definitely looking bullish for Bitcoin. But if we cannot break above that level and we are creating a lower high right here, then that means that we are technically still in a downtrend, and that could trigger quite a sell-off in my opinion. And guys, if you like to trade Bitcoin, you can do that over on the Femex exchange. And if you use my affiliate link down below in the description or in the pinned comment, you will get an extra bonus of 92 US dollar when you deposit 0.2 Bitcoin. And the nice thing about the Femex exchange is that they are offering spot trading as well right now. So that means you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP and Link against US dollar Tether. And the cool part about spot trading on the Femex exchange is that they don't charge any fees. So if you are a premium member, you can trade as much as you want without paying any fees. So everybody who is interested in spot trading and trading without any fees and wants to get an additional bonus of 92 US dollar, you can sign up using my affiliate link down below in the description or in the pinned comment. So right now Bitcoin still has to prove itself, because we have seen a breakout, we have seen an increase in volume, but we haven't seen that we broke above the 10.5k level. We got already rejected beforehand, so it is very important that Bitcoin in the short term is going to break above the 10.5k. And if we were to see a reversal from here, it is very important that Bitcoin is holding support on the former resistance right here. If we are losing the support, which is approximately at 9,650, then that is definitely looking bearish for Bitcoin. And guys, one thing I do want to point out with my time analysis is that I actually expect a reversal tomorrow on the 3rd of June. And the previous times I got this signal was right here when we have seen a reversal as well, and right here as well the moment we have seen a reversal from an uptrend into a downtrend. Although it are short time reversals, right, it did signal a reversal, it actually did signal a exact top, and right here I got that signal as well at a exact bottom. And for tomorrow, I have been talking about it already a couple of times, right? Tomorrow, the 3rd of June, I'm expecting a reversal as well. Let's see if that is going to happen. I don't want to trade solely based on time analysis, but I do want to take this into account. And I'm going to watch the chart tomorrow very closely. If I can find bearish divergences or some other signals which could strengthen this idea that we are going to see a reversal. Then guys, another interesting thing right here is that the Mercury retrograde period is coming up at the 16th of June till approximately the 9th of July. And that is quite an interesting period, because most of the times in the past when we have seen Mercury retrograding, that was a moment that we have seen bearish price action with Bitcoin. But yeah, I will talk more about that in the coming videos when the Mercury retrograde period is getting closer. My time analysis is predicting tomorrow a reversal in the Bitcoin price. And I'm going to watch that closely. If I can spot any more clues, which tells me that we are indeed going to see a reversal, which is strengthen that time analysis. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please leave a thumbs up. Let's see if we can get above the 200 likes on today's video. That would be awesome. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do so. I'm uploading every day a new crypto video. And if you want to learn how to trade, you can watch one of my tutorials. And I will see you all tomorrow, and don't forget to HODL.